Hi, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. In this episode we're going to be doing the final stages of the build. We're going to be putting the bed frame in position and adding a full-size double mattress. I was worried about how I was going to be able to access the front of the garage area once the bed frame was in position. I had visions of me crawling in on my stomach to try and get things out. So I decided to make some little storage boxes at the front. These are going to be accessed by a hinge on the bed frame. You can see I made a hole in that panel there. That's just to access the control for the water heater. You'll be able to get to that easily enough from the rear of the van. And the bed frame will be hinged from the rear as well, so that it lifts up from the rear, so it can access the gas box more easily. And the eagle-eyed amongst you will notice that I've changed the gas box for a metal one, because I intend hiring the van out as well, and that's just to comply with the regulations. So the joists are hanging from joist hangers from the sides of the van. And they're made up of two 2x2 joists, a 4x2 and a 47mm uni strut at the rear, just to keep that area open without having to have a support leg. And you can see there's two shelves at the side there as well. I was going to put some little storage pods there, but decided just to put shelves to keep the weight down a bit. And here you can see the hinge section on the front of the bed frame. I'm just lifting it into position. The bed frame is made from, I think it's 25 by 37 or something like that. Inch by inch and a half, something like that, thereabouts. And it's held so it doesn't slide. It's got blocks which butt up against the joists, so it keeps it nice and tight, stops it sliding backwards and forwards. And then you can see the front section just flips over. And here's the mattress. It's one of those rolled up ones. It says it's over 15 kilos. But to be honest, it can't be that much more over, I don't think. It didn't seem to be that heavy. Maybe it's about 17 or 18 kilos, something like that. Which is quite light for a full-size double. And it's a pocket sprung pocket sprung mattress with memory foam on the top. When you're cutting these, or when you're opening these up, you should take care not to cut the vacuum membrane on the inside before you get it into position, because you'll cause yourself all sorts of problems. It's far easier putting it in rolled up and then opening it up inside the van, rather than opening it up outside. So I'm just going to take off the outside wrapping. The lats for the top of the bed frame, bought them from eBay. You know, they're for the proper lats for a double bed. So they just stretch all the way across. So then once you make a nick in that membrane, the air just rushes in, and the mattress starts inflating straight away. So it's important not to make a hole when you're unwrapping it to start with. You got to see how quickly it inflates. When I ordered the mattress, it said it was supposed to be an 8-inch deep, and I think it's more like 10-inch actually. But you can see by the way I'm picking it up there, it's not that heavy at all really, which is what I wanted, so that it was easier to be able to lift the frame up with the mattress on, just to be able to access the gas box and everything. And I'm just holding it up there with a bit of wooden support, and as you can see it's going to be a lot easier, makes it easier getting in for changing the gas bottle. And that piece of wood will just store under the van, I mean under the bed. And we'll have a look from the front, or from the inside I should say. One of the main things that I decided on initially when I decided to start making the van, this was one of the things I definitely wanted, was a full-size double in there. I don't really want to be spending all that money on the van then it being so uncomfortable that you can't sleep in it. So I made a point of making sure that this was one of the main things that I wanted. One of the main things I designed into it was to be able to have a full-size double mattress. And you can see that lifts up quite easily there, to be able to access those cupboards. So that's it, that's all we've got for this one, a quick one this time. In the next episode we'll probably be doing a walkthrough of the van with the seating in position. That's in the process of being made at the moment from a good friend of mine who has a car trimming company. So I'm looking forward to seeing those. We're having it done in diamond stitch leather, so that should look fantastic when that's done. So okay, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.